to show you a new feature that we're kind of working on. We'll probably release it relatively soon. It's a new feature that comes with QEMU 7.1, which should be in head. So if you just kind of check the version, this says 7.0. It's actually 7.1. But you can see it in the latest brew. So if you're doing like a brew install QEMU -- head, you'll get it. You don't have to actually install the one from QEMU's website. But basically what it does is it allows you to run bridge networking on top of your Mac. And so Macs, they come with wireless. They don't really come out of the box with Ethernet. And so you can't like really bridge it, which is a pain. So there used to be a package called TunTap-OS-X. We used to use that. That's no more, especially since I think it was Big Sur that signed it, but we do have it now. So if you want to follow along with this, we have a new branch that I pushed to the remote called Mac Bridging. It's just kind of a quick hack to showcase what's going on here. But we go back to here, and let's just try to run this real quick. So we'll do ops run -e port 8080 port 8080T, which is just my little web server. What you'll see is QEMU is gonna complain saying, hey, you tried to use this VirtuoNet PCI bridging mode. You need an entitlement for that. It's like COM networking something. Anyways, the only way to do that legitly is to release it through the App Store, which, surprise, surprise, we're going to do relatively soon. But if you want to use this branch and you want to kind of follow along, I'll just show you how to do it yourself. So first thing we're going to do is figure out which QEMU we're using. So mine's in user local bin. And then we're going to want to go ahead and give this to root. Now, I wouldn't suggest you do this for prod, but since we're on a Mac and we're using it locally, it really doesn't matter, but definitely don't do this on prod. So we're gonna give QEMU to root, and then we're going to give it the sudo bit. And so what this does is basically saying that we should be able to inherit the permissions of the user, which in this case is root. And so that basically gets around this failure here. Once again, don't do this on prod. This is a dev-only type of quick fix until we cut a release for the Apple Store. And now you can see that this boots up, right? So let's pop open another one just to kind of show you what's going on here. And as you can see, we're using the exact same port, which is interesting because ops on a Mac can't actually do that unless you set up a tap. So here we have 1.92, 1.91. We can do another one, right? We can do ops run e port 8080 port 8080 T. And so now we have 93, right? So now let's try to ping some of these guys. What are we? 1.93. All right. So we got 93 running, 92 running, 91 running. So they're all on the same port. They have different IPs, but they're all on the same bridge network. And so we're not running Linux here. We're not running Docker. This is 3 different Unikernels running on the same bridge network. They're 3 Go Unikernels. So we think this is going to be a good fit for the Mac users out there. And so to get around doing this, what is really a security hazard, we're going to cut a app for the Apple Store. But until then, you can use this trick if you need it. All right, talk to you later. Bye.